loves, in today's video I am trying out the Lilycute Cat Eye Gel polishes from Wish and creating this easy galaxy inspired nail art. I purchased these Lilycute Cat Eye Gel polishes off of the Wish app for $4. The polish itself is $2 as well as its shipping. These polishes are so tiny. Each bottle is only 5 milliliters. I am using the XXL full cover coffin nails from the Attitude Shop on Etsy. And I am using adhesive tabs from Ivtor on Amazon. These cat eye gels look best over a base, so I will be applying 2 coats of the Your Sugar black gel polish in the shade 666 and curing for 30 seconds each. I chose color number 3. It is a beautiful mixture of green, purple, and blue. It is so cute. And since I have that black base, I only applied 1 coat of this polish and then cured for 30 seconds. The last step for these 3 nails, as well as my thumb, is to apply a coat of my Model 1's No Wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds. I am applying my Gadget's Entrepot LED glue gel to my entire nail. Now I am applying my Model 1's No Wipe top coat. These gold stars and moon decals are from Nicole Diary on Amazon. These are Jonquil AB crystals from Daily Charm. I am placing a size 7 fern green crystal inside my moon, and then I'm curing for 2 minutes. I applied some cuticle oil and now my nails are all done. Of course, I had to get an outside clip in the sunlight just to show you how beautiful this polish is. It is so pretty. And I really like the accent nail I did with the stars in the moon. I feel like it ties the whole galaxy look together. Really cute. And then here's inside with the flash to give you a better look at the shift between the colors. It is so pretty. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. Tell me what you think of this look down below in a comment, and until next time, bye loves!